And this is the live Chakra Attunement. It is the 29th of October 2025, and we are in the process of focusing on the breath. And every in-breath, just focus on being fully present in the moment, releasing the breath and letting go of all the stuff that, gets caught up in our concerns and worries and fears and things that we have to do. Right now, letting it all go, focusing on the breath, breathing in, pausing, breathing out, pausing, breathing in, pausing, breathing out, pausing, and surrounding your body in the container of light, below the feet, above the head, in front of the body, behind the body, to the right and the left of the body. Focusing on the breath, breathing in, breathing out. And as you breathe in and out, begin to connect with the chakras, starting at the root, going all the way up to the crown at the top of the head, red at the root, orange at the navel, yellow at the solar plexus, green in the center at the heart, blue at the throat, indigo at the third eye, and violet at the crown. Breathing in, breathing out, noticing what you notice, strengthening that container of light around the body, breathing in, breathing out, feeling your feet on the earth, curl your toes, rotate your ankles, tap your feet, feel yourself grounding fully to the new healed whole Mother Earth for the root. And we'll open with the prayer to Kuan Yin. Dearest Lady Kuan Yin, we call on you to help us love and accept ourselves fully. We ask that you grant us a full measure of compassion for ourselves and for others, and we pray that those suffering in this world can see and feel your loving presence. We pray that hardened hearts will melt in the presence of your compassion and understanding. We pray that the waters of grace and compassion that you pour over the earth will nourish the seeds of love and compassion in all hearts, creating gardens of beauty within all living beings. It is our intentions to nourish the gardens within ourselves through prayer, meditation, right thinking. In our hearts, our gardens flourish, filling up and spilling over with the fragrance of the garden into the world. We thank you, dear Lady Kuan Yin, for your presence in our lives and in our world. Breathing in and out, dropping your attention now to the root energy at the tailbone, the pelvic floor area, down the right leg, down the left leg, opening the chakra in the bottom center of the feet, and just connecting with the new healed whole Mother Earth by saying her name, new healed whole Mother Earth. I'm fully connecting to the new healed whole Mother Earth. You make that more real for yourself, and you can feel, maybe some of you who are more sensitive, the energy building at the bottom of the feet, helping you ground and feel more safe and more confident here in the presence of your presence on the earth at this time. Breathing in and out, red energy. So you start to visualize red energy filling your container of light and your auric field, and begin as you breathe to concentrate it at the root. Imagine that vibration and frequency of your root chakra coming up into a balanced, stabilized feeling of safety on the earth. And the low-toned Om is the exercise. The one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is Lam. 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 And as you're doing your exercises for the root, you might sort of gently march your feet or curl your toes, really visualize yourself standing barefoot on the earth somewhere and really in a place that's connecting for you. And imagine connecting deeply to the core center of the new healed home, Mother Earth. One more time. Lam. Breathing in, coming up to the navel area. So feel your breath expanding your navel area, really straighten your spine, start to focus on that gorgeous color orange, bringing it into the body with your breath, especially around this area of the navel and the mid-lower back there. Breathing in, breathing out. And it's a higher toned Om, a medium toned Om, and it connects to the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra of Vam with a V. Vam, Vam, Vam. From there, we'll move up to the solar plexus. Start to visualize yellow, pulling it into your container of light and then into your aura, bringing it into a concentrated form at the solar plexus area of the body, the solar plexus chakra, this bright yellow. I think of sunflowers, sunshine, just kind of bringing that in. This is the higher toned Om for the exercise, and Ra is the one syllable Sanskrit mantra. Om, Ra, Om, Ra. Bringing that yellow energy, feeling these first three chakras, the red, the orange, the yellow, nice and strong. Breathing in and breathing out. Ah, ah, ah. Let's do that again. Om, Ra. Breathing in, breathing out. Feel those first three, the red, the orange, the yellow. You can move around on your sits bones, gently march your feet again. Let yourself ground into these lower chakras that are going to support your opening of the heart, your opening of the higher chakras. So focusing on the green now, the sound is ah. So as you're breathing in and out, you can release with the deep sighs. Ah, visualizing the green. Ah, ah. Yum is the one syllable Sanskrit mantra as you spread this green through your container of light in your aura. Ah. 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 Yum. Ah. Yum. Yum is the one syllable Sanskrit mantra where you're spreading that green energy from the center of your chest all the way out around your chest cavity, going beyond it into the compassion centers, right and left shoulder divot there, and out into your container of light, your auric field. So let's spread a little love again, a little compassion. Ready? Ah, yum. And breathing in and out, focusing on the blue of the sky. We're coming up to the throat chakra, communication. So this is in the top 3 chakras, this is the lower chakra. So the first one in opening up to the higher frequency vibrations, to our connection, to our communication. Let's all make a dedication to communicate our truth from the heart, breathing in and out. So we do the lion breath to open this one up as you visualize the blue of the sky. The lion breath, the tongue can come out to the chin, the paws can flare up. Hum is also our one syllable Sanskrit mantra for the throat chakra. So we're going to chant this. Hum. Hum, hum, hum. And visualizing that expansive blue sky. Imagine you're just laying on the earth, letting your body relax and connect to the Mother Earth, the back, the spine, the tailbone, the back of the legs, the calves. Relaxing and chanting. Hum, 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 hum. So we come up to the third eye. And here's where we like to stop, turn the palms up to receive. Take a moment to feel gratitude. Grateful for this moment. Grateful for all of you in this call. Grateful for this earth, this purring kitty cat in my lap. Gratitude. So feeling gratitude. State out loud something or 2 or 3 things you're grateful for. And just kind of feel that really sinking into your consciousness and your body. And this is the indigo. The paws, our hands are turned up as we're expressing our gratitude, thinking of our teachers, visualizing them, the guides, the guardians, the angels, the ancestors. Grateful. So here we go. It's the exercise is the high pitch E. And the one syllable Sanskrit mantra for this third eye is Sham. Sham, 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 Sham. Sham. You're feeling a little foggy or unclear. We can do this again. You can tap your third eye gently with your pointer finger and middle finger. Sham, Sham, Sham. Breathing in and breathing out. We're coming up to the crown chakra, still holding the palms open. Begin to visualize that purple-violet color, amethyst going up to white light, streaming from the top of your head, going through the top of your container of light in your auric field, streaming up to the highest possible source that you can receive healing from, guidance from. So just taking a moment to feel the gratitude, breathing in and breathing out. Ready? Wow, 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 wow. to just hold the space for a few moments. The palms open, receiving back from my guides all that is good, all that is light, all that is comforting, and all that is love. You're feeling that shower of light coming back. Let's do the exercise one more time. The wall from low to high. So it's really nice to be back with everyone live. When I was in Dharamsala, I was doing the Chakra Attunement every day, feeling that energy grounding to a new space on the earth, a new time zone. Really helpful to have this container of light, the prayers to Kuan Yin, breathing in, breathing out. So we're going to close today with the toning of Om, which is the one syllable Sanskrit mantra for the crown chakra. So as we do this toning of Om, keeping the palms open, maybe starting during the Om to turn them towards your chest, your heart chakra, or towards each other in prayer pose, Anjali Mudra, whatever feels right to you. Ready? Om.